There's a clear difference between devotion and fear. பயத்துக்கும் பக்திக்கும் ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் ஒரு டெம்பிளுக்கு போனால் இல்லை ஏதாவது ஒரு வீட்டில் ஏதாவது ஒரு கடவுளை கும்பிட்னா நீங்கள் பயத்தோடு தான் பண்ணுறீங்க, நீங்கள் பக்தியோடு அதை பண்ணலை. வாட் இஸ் பக்தி? இட்ஸ் அகேன் நாட் அபவுட் கிவிங் த ரைட் ஃப்ளவர்ஸ், processing the right ritual. It's none of that. Bhakti comes from your heart. The devotion of seeing an energy in front of you and really surrendering to it, surrendering to whatever energy you can imagine. It need not be a certain name that you know of any god. It can just be you creating a full presence of a loving energy, a full presence of a protector energy for your home. எது வேணாலும் நீங்கள் உருவாக்கலாம். That is the power of the human beings, that you can create energy in any form that you want. Let us say I want my home to be protected. நான் என் வீட்டில் எல்லாருமே நல்லா இருக்கணும், நம்ம வீட்டு நல்லா இருக்கணும், நம்ம குழந்தைங்க நல்லா இருக்கணும். fair enough. For which நீங்கள் போயிட்டு வேறு ஒரு எனர்ஜி கிட்ட நீங்கள் கேட்குறது வேணாம். நீங்களே அதை வீட்டில் டிவோஷனோட வித் யோர் டிவோஷன் உருவாக்கலாம். You can make it happen with the purest of your devotion without any problem. Just how? You don't do anything. Use the elementals that you're using. Use the fire, do the camphor, do the house cleanse, do all of it. But give your mind the space of imagination to create that energy in front of you. It need not be an idol. It need not have a form. It need not have multiple hands, multiple legs. அதெல்லாம் ஆக்சுவலி அது தெய்வமே கிடையாது. அண்ட் தேர் இஸ் அ வெரி க்ளோஸ் similarity between daivam and devil. Women of the house have to really become so much more powerful that they can manifest everything for the house. They can do everything. The mothers of the house or the homemakers of the house, basically the feminine energy, are the most powerful. If your husband really wants to achieve something in his life, you have all the power to make that happen. If your children want to do everything. But what do? We as women are constantly thinking about the negative thoughts. And the negative thoughts are complete cut panano. And once you cut those negative thoughts and you focus on the positivity that you can feel within yourself, the positivity that will gather all your manifestations, that's the part to devotion. And when you go into a temple, it's not out of fear. It really needs to be out of devotion. What is this energy? Why am I here? Why should I go into the temple? Why should I perform all those rituals that they're asking me to do? Don't blindly follow. And become the child. Become the youngest version of yourself again. Be curious. Ask questions. If somebody is not able to answer, sit down, close your eyes. You'll get all your answers. It's not just about women, even men who go to the temples. It's not about rituals. It's not about fear. It's about devotion. Please try to figure out what devotion means to you, what fear means to you. Are you going to the temples with devotion? Are you going to the temples with fear? Very simple. Just ask yourself. You have all the answers within you, and everything that you want is in your hands.